It's probably all blown up in her face.
He's holding his hand.
Oh, he's waiting. Slow down, I said.
That's going slow, isn't it?
For 10. Cool. Are you gonna get back there? Why not?
I don't have any desire.
I need to get my car.
Allstate would cover that shit. You want like a 48-hour policy?
Yeah!
I got one with me.
Yeah, I have it in my front pocket. Honey, you're knocking me
Holy fucking shitballs.
We're gonna. Thanks for holding me by the collar.
Shivering shitballs.
Do you think if this thing is flashing, it means it's recording, or if it's not recording?
Hang around, wait.
Oh, look at that snow.
This snow is
I know, it's like crazy.
Uh-oh.
What are we gonna do today? We're just gonna drink all day. We got 2 half-gallons of vodka, a bunch of champagne.
Holy fucking shitballs.
We're gonna. Thanks for holding me by the collar.
Shivering shitballs.
Do you think if this thing is flashing, it means it's recording, or if it's not recording?
Hang around, wait.
Oh, look at that snow.
This snow is
I know, it's like crazy.
Uh-oh.
What are we gonna do today? We're just gonna drink all day. We got 2 half-gallons of vodka, a bunch of champagne.
Dude, it's not for the Chinese. No, you're good. We'll come back and get you.